Hello, howdy guys. Welcome to Future IT Vision. This is Selenium Page Object Model framework with Page Factory Part 5. Today I will be talk and show you how to guys parameterize Xpath, and also I will show you mouse over how to use the mouse over things. So now guys, let's go start from. We already have a framework here we created last time in the video 1, 2, 3. Whoever watched this video, they knows already where we are. So we already have framework which is Page Factory initiative already created there. So now we will be creating one more class. So now let's start from the mouse over. What is the mouse over, guys? This is our website, which is our testing. So now example, if I am my cursor, this is the mouse, yeah, or my cursor is moving here. You go to the dress, you see guys, I didn't click anything. When you just put the mouse top of the button, which is the dress, is showing you have casual dress, evening dress, and summer dress. So now if summer dress and evening dress and casual dress, these three dress, you want to click it. So if you click here, you're not going to find out these things. But if I click here, what will happen? You find out in this box. Am I right? But we don't want to do that. What do you want to do? We want to go here. If you go back, when you open this page, we want to go mouse here, and we want to see this three button is available and clickable. But this three button also under the same div. So we don't want a hard-coded Xpath. We want parameterized Xpath. So example, if I use the dress, we create a dress method, which is we call this Xpath, and we are saying this, okay, I want this Xpath, but I want this element, but under this three in our test class, we will be call which one we need by testing purpose. So that means not hard coded. We don't want the Xpath is one things you can parameterize. So one Xpath you can use over and over. It's a reusable purpose. So it's called parameterized Xpath. So this is the great things with Xpath. So now I will be show you how to do it, and also how to use the mouse over. So guys, for that we will be creating one more test class here, because this is a page object model. So over here I have home page search. So we're going to create one more, right click, new class, which is, so what we can give the name, we can then catalog. All those are catalog related. This is the catalog related test case. Okay, so you want all the catalog. So you go here, okay guys, what is this? I have no idea. Let's see. Go here, you go here, and over here create a name, catalog. Okay, so with the catalog. So now I'm done, finish. Use the catalog test case. So now do you have to extend any class? Go our previous class. Yes, we have to extend script based. Just copy paste. In Selenium, guys, it's very good to know how to copy paste or where to copy paste. Okay, that's very important. So now we extend it. So now what do we have to do, guys? So now we have to create a one test cases. Yeah. So before that, we need our element, what element we want to use, and we have to call this element inside the method. We have to create the method, reusable method, which is we can use for over and over to test cases. For that, we go to the home page. Guys, we have a home page here. Yes, we have a home page here. We are using. So now remember, in Page Factory, from at find by, there is not easy way to do parameterize. So what we can do, for that reason, we're going to use the find driver.find for parameterize. It is easiest thing to do, and you can do inside this framework too. How? Now I will show you guys. So example, first of all, I'm going to create a one let's get one method, which is public void, what should I give name? Home page catalog. Okay, home page catalog. We create one method. So method is created. Now start writing. So what you have to do over here, we need a mouse over. For mouse over, we need to use the action class. So this is the best way to do this thing. So we're gonna follow it. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna call this action builder equal new actions, which is driver. So when you have this, just close it. So we're seeing the error here. Of course, you're going to see because driver is not initiated here. So what we can do, we can use driver, which is only for this method. Okay, it's not going to for the class level, not the method level. So we call the WebDriver a method level. Now we already have it. Now what action method? Now I'm going to say it. We need to find a which element should be hover it. Okay, so before that, write down first, make ready for web element equal driver dot find element by dot Xpath. Am I right? We're going to use the Xpath. So Xpath. So now this is our things. Now we need the Xpath. We don't have Xpath. Just made ready. Okay. We're going to find Xpath later. Let's do it for find Xpath. So it's very clear will be happen if you find Xpath. So now we are doing here mouse over for dress. So now, which is the casual dress, evening dress, and summer dress. So now we need to find out this dress element for Xpath for that, because we want the mouse locator go here and hover this mouse over there and show up these three. For that, okay guys, we have a Firebug, open it and go and select it. We have now Xpath. There you go guys. I'm not going to go edit, wasting time. Last time I showed edit, but I'm going to show how to parameterize the last content. Okay, so this is the easy way you can do. So now we have over here the last one. I says contains. We have contains text is a dress. That is a text. So you can use the contain text method, which is comma, and upon the double quotation, which you can put dress for now, for find out guys. Okay, for now dress, and then you can close it and close it. So if you enter it, see guys over here, one matching node over here and only. So now that's the magic things. If I have dress, I say they have to parameterize, but if I parameterize only dress, it's not going to work. You know why? If I change here for dress for t-shirt, it's not going to work. You know why? Because this is list 2. If you go the list 2, this is the list 2 have dress. What is list 1? List 1 have man. Okay, so now list 3 have, if you go list 3, list 1, list 3 somewhere here, should be t-shirt. So now we don't want, we just only for dress. So for that, we just going until dress this, okay? So now I'm going to copy this for right now. I just don't want to complicate it right now. Just do this and this, okay? Oh, sorry, inside this, okay. So now I say action builder, new action build driver, which is the web element driver, do this. So now what is the next? If you go the next, you will be see enter and write down what builder you get, a builder. We say builder. Now we have to move this, builder dot move to element, okay? Move to the element target, which is action. Move to target. What is the target? Move to element, this element, yeah? This is our target. Element dot, now will be say build dot perform. There you go, guys. So now I say to the action, which is the web element move, take the cursor to this element. So this until this, what will be happen? If you call this method, so this cursor will be go to the top of the dress. So on top of the dress, and he will be open this 3. So now, guys, this part done. Now what we have to do? Now next, after done, we have to click the button. We have to select the catalog. So now for that, so I'm gonna because for testing purpose, you guys need to see how it's performing. So that's why I'm gonna give the here thread.sleep. For only thread.sleep is not good things to do with Selenium. So but I'm using for showing purpose. But we're gonna in future we'll be show how to use the other method. Okay, other methods already have thread.sleep. Millisecond, I want to show millisecond, put 1000, not too much, okay? This will be after declaration, okay? Done. So now I'm saying, now what do you want? I want to call the web element, again, web element, give the name element 2. Because this is element 1, this is element 2, okay? Element 2 equal driver dot find element by dot Xpath and close here, okay? So now, and we want element 2 to dot click, okay? Element 2 dot click, and after click, what happened? For that, we want to have the thread.sleep to see actually really click or not, okay? And also we will do assertion before that element that we have to do assertion. So what you want to do? We want to do over here, make sure that before the click, what do you want to do? Assertion assert dot assert true. If you go here all the way down, assert the assert true boolean, okay? Assert the assert true. What do you want to say? True, comma, element 2 dot get text, okay? And to get this and get text. After that, click and 3 system. And now also we want to see printout, okay? See the message. Actually, for just showing you purpose, this is not necessary, but I want to make sure that is working element, okay? So now we have to create a Xpath for that. So go to the website. We already have Xpath. Now we need, when you go to the mouse over, we need evening dress Xpath, okay? So again, how do you can do that evening dress Xpath? Again, guys, from this step on the last, this contains and then text sign, comma, then this two quotation, then first bracket, then this. So now we for purpose evening dress, we want evening dress for purpose. We just putting here for right now. I will be do evening dress. So now it's selecting one match node. Okay. For now, guys, over here, if I go to the, if you select here, this is a list 2. Okay. So you have to move this list 2. You know why? Because list 2 only will be select evening dress, but we need to select this 3. So that's why even list, if you go list 1, have casual dress. If you go list 3, to summer dress. If I remove this, that means whatever list 2 I can remove, just put the double quotation. Okay. So I said before the contain a whatever list, grab it. The double slash will be represent that. So now if I enter, so now evening dress taking, and if I take the evening dress and move this as a, if you go have evening dress summer dress, okay, I'm gonna put the here from evening SU summer dress. If I say enter, see summer dress is selecting one must be. So now if I choose same thing casual dress, it should be work. Okay. So now I'm gonna copy this one and go to our code and put here. So now guys, if I keep like that, it will be hard coded. We have to every time in our code change it. We don't want our method change over and over. We want to use in our test case, we call whatever we want. That's what we want. So that's why we want to parameterize these things. How we will do parameterize is very easy, guys. Just follow me at example. I'm going to call here string. So what I'm going to say is string. What you're going to put? Category. Okay. Category. You're going to put the category. Category. Okay. Another string. I'm just string, which is catalog dress. Okay. Or dress. You can put the dress. Dresses. Okay. So now this catalog should be here. So before that, if I want to, it's called concatenate. Okay. I'm doing now concatenate, guys. You heard that double inside double quotation, that plus double plus inside this, I'm gonna call this. So now this category, whatever I choose, they will be giving. Okay. So now over here, if you go category, and now I'm going what? Now I'm going to dress. Same thing I have to do because I have to choose the dress whatever I want every time in my test cases. Okay. So what I have to do? Double quotation, inside double quotation, double plus, inside double quotation, double plus, your dress, which is your brand. So now our code is ready for test. So now let's go to our test case, whatever test case we created here. Catalog our test case. Yeah. So if you go catalog test cases, is nothing is there. So just go over there, just copy one test cases for saving time. You guys do it whatever you want. I'm just trying to save my time. So now verify, we're gonna say is catalog. Dress selectable. Selectable. Okay. So now home page, local variable we have to do here. Just we call the home page. Nothing else, guys. This home page have page factory. So now over here, what you're gonna do, we're gonna just copy it. We're gonna just copy it, and we will follow how to do it. So that's it. So now we don't need this here. Over here I have log info. What you want to put? We're gonna put the verify selectable test start. Okay. And verify test is finish. Okay. And now we're going to call this method homepage dot homepage catalog. Okay. When you call this method, you have to pass this thing. So now remember, guys, what you have to pass. When you have to make sure what you're passing, if you select this, you have to pass this dress as showing the element. How is showing the element here, not over there. So we want dress here, catalog. Am I right? Okay. This string, so to put the string. Okay, we want dress here. So now what kind of dresses you want? So now, guys, if you go here, over here, you want evening dress or casual dress. Go to the casual dress. So casual dress, casual dress. So copy this from here. Make sure whatever showing inside the element show like that. Not there here showing the capital letter, so small letter. Okay. So whatever in the DOM is showing. So I'm in the casual dress. Casual dress, yeah, inside this. So now, guys, one thing we're missing here. If you go to the home page test, we should log message. For that reason, we have to use it always. We have to use always. So now just change the class name. What is the class name? Catalog. Okay, catalog. Okay, catalog. Okay, and copy it. And home page search test catalog. You can change the name later. So catalog over here. So now always we have to make sure that we passing the proper way whatever we are doing. Otherwise it will be a problem for. Also we have to use here before test. How are you gonna do that, guys? Just copy paste. I mean, you already created, just you want to make sure that whatever you can do write down, or also you can copy paste, because same thing you're going to use over here. Something missing, yeah, before test. So you copy it and just put here. Okay, and the command is, and also after test, we want after test the browser should close. Yeah, so even after test browser should close. So now we will be run our test. So now this test ready for our test. So we already did. We create a new test classes which is named catalog. You can put the catalog test whatever you want, and we call the log message over here, and we call the home page classes. Use the before test annotation and after test annotation, and over here test we could create as usual, and we call the method which is home page catalog. If we click here, home page catalog is a reusable method. Also we parameterize the Xpath. We want to use this Xpath over and over. So for that reason we just parameterize Xpath, and also we use the action class for mouse over. So what will be happen now? If you go to the browser over here, now will be cursor will be go here, and will be mouse over and call these things. Click this one, okay, and will be verify this result. So let's do it, guys. See what happened. So my side is done. So now if I go to the catalog test, right click, run as test ng. So okay, triggering, guys, follow up here, yeah, mouse hovering and is open here, see, and click it. So see over here, and finished, we find out the casual dress, which is we asking for casual dress. So I want to show you more slowly so you can see find out. So I'm going to give some time here in home page. Go over here. Yeah, so over here I want to give 4,000 just for guys show you what's going on. Okay, so now if I go catalog test, run again, just follow the browser and my cursor where I'm putting. Okay, see it's opening here, and you see his cursor is open, and now it's going to clone, click the casual dress, and when the casual dress is selected here. Okay, and it's already assertion verified. So over here he said, you know, the text already result which is the verify with the casual dress. So see exactly which XPath we find out is this from log04 message is showing up. So now guys, so now casual dress over here. Now we want to see that our parameterize is working or not. For that reason, what you're gonna do, we're gonna go here, go some address. So we're gonna click here and call the some address. Okay, if this is changed, that means our parameterize is successfully happening. Okay, that's what we want. So now run test engine, follow the browser, opening the browser and click, and some address clicked already. What's going on? Maybe my cursor was there. Okay, something element not visible. Okay, see, assertion is failing. So what we did wrong? So go here, dresses, go to our, did I copy properly? Summer dresses. Okay, and put here. Okay, so now let's run this test again. Okay, I'm not going to move my cursor. So now dress. Okay, summer dresses, guys, over here. See, the first time what happened, actually I was moving the cursor there, that's why the interrupt happened. So I believe, so if you go here, so now we find out summer dress. That means our Xpath parameterization is working properly, and also we know how to use mouse over, which is the action class. So in this class, guys, what do you learn? We learn mouse over. We learn how to do Xpath parameterized and use the parameterized Xpath and use over and over and call in your test class. That's it for today, guys, and wait for next video. And if you like my video, feel free to click like button, and you'll be seeing the code in the Future IT Vision github.com, and also subscribe button is the Future IT Vision in YouTube. And if you have any problem, just comment in the comment section of the YouTube, and I will be give you answer as soon as possible. Thank you for today. See you for next video. Thank you.